Having issues with my phone today. Stupid thing. Anyways, this is a Sumore lathe, 7x14. I've had it just for under 10 years, and it's been really good to me, and I've used the living bejesus out of it. So, yeah, I mean, it's dirty. I have to clean it. I keep the lathe in my home machine shop for doing my other model and stuff like that. A lot cleaner than this way. This way, I just it goes to the ringer. Out in the shop, it's kind of dirty, but yeah. So not many problems with it. It's been really good lathe to me. Upgrading the chuck was a big huge improvement. That was definitely something that I think the modern ones are actually got the bigger chuck on them, I think. But that was a huge improvement. And actually, on my other lathe I have in my hobby shop in the house there, I upgraded to the bigger chuck too, and made a world of difference. So I replaced the motor on this thing already once, and you know, I should have opted to get the 750 watt, but I got the 550, which was cheaper. So, but then we got a bigger problem now. We stripped out the gear. Stripped there, right? So anyway, that's fine. It was like making funky noise. I was like, what the hell? Hope I didn't blow up that motor again. But no, stripped out the gear. Plastic is ridiculous. Why do you have plastic on here? Anyways, so I was looking for replacement gears for the lathe, and I found these aluminum ones on Amazon, which I kept looking. I couldn't find it, and then I found these. And I should have maybe got the belt too. But anyways, I think the belt's still good shape. And I got two sets. One for, because my other lathe I have in the house is this Dentro, this one, just a little more updated version. Yeah, so we're going to put these on. And these are kind of nice. It has a set screw in there, which is nice. Okay, tighten the damn bugger on there. Yeah, both have set screws. Didn't fall out already. Yeah, the set screws are in there. Yeah, you never know. Sometimes the packaging shit falls out, right? Not so good. They're both in there. I think they're both in there. Something. You have a set screw and a Allen key. Yeah. So yeah, no big deal. We can always stick something there. But yeah, so I'll probably take apart all this and put both gears in. I have not checked the top one. I'd imagine the one inside there is foobarb too. So anyways, guys, if you have a lathe like this and the gear does go on it, on the motor, I'll put a link in the video, or link in the description, tell you this part number and everything from Amazon. If yours breaks, well, you know where to get the upgraded version of the aluminum gears. Alright guys, so I'm going to put this thing together, or take it apart, put it back together, and see how it runs. So, here's it taken apart. Just basically take all the gearing and stuff apart, no big deal, right? Pretty easy. So this one here has the gear doesn't look bad. I think I might just leave it. No point fucking with it if it's not broken, right? It might be a pain in the ass to take it out of there. And the belt looks okay. Hopefully. Oh no. Okay, never mind. Thought it was bare there, but it's not. Yeah. I think I'm going to take that snap ring out of there, and I just don't have to take it out because I'm not going to replace it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe I should just... Thought I seen a timing mark on there. Doesn't matter. Huh. Anyways, let's take this thing apart here and see what we can do. Hold on. Hold Hold on, boys and girls. Clip up here. There. I think I have to get a screwdriver and pry that son of a bitch out.
Oh. I mean, if I'm replacing that bottom gear to aluminum, I might as well do the top one, right? I don't feel I need to, but probably should. Nothing wrong with it.
Looks perfectly fine. Well, I don't know. Maybe the edges might be around it a little bit. But since you're going aluminum, I may as well just go all aluminum, right? They look identical. Oops, get in the frame, George. So, yeah, what the hell? We'll just stick it in there. Just needs a bit of persuasion, that's all. Yay! Very nice. Didn't have to use a big hammer, so that's a good thing. Yeah. So I don't do very many of these videos like this because sometimes I've been known to let off some F-bombs, and people don't like that because I guess kids watch this too. Alright. Okay, cool. Alright, well, that's that one. Oh, fucker. Ah. Yeah. Hey guys, my Orchard videos. Well, the motor on the lathe packed it in. It really packed it in this time. It blew up actually. It lost a little range. I mean, before I placed the gear, because I replaced this gear and that gear, right? I noticed before something went wrong with the motor, and low range wouldn't work. Didn't motor enough power, so I was using high range. Well, doing a bunch of machining, and it just petered out, blew up on me. So I have another motor there. I'm going to try it out. I may have to do some machining of the housing to get this job done, but I think I'm going to get the 750 watt motor for this and just go with it. It's cheaper than buying a new lathe at the moment. So,
Hello, Moto.
oh, jeez. I had to restart my other phone. But yeah, so if you're going to be getting this lathe, I suggest you opt to get the 750 watt motor. Get a spare because you're going to need it. Because the original motor, it will blow up on you no matter what. So, anyways, things to think about. So, anyways, I'm happy with the lathe. The chuck was the best thing I ever did to it. Maybe the worst thing too. But definitely getting a motor. The original motors suck ass. They're not powerful enough. and just opt to get the 750 and also get the aluminum gears. You're gonna need them. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.